Hey guys, welcome to Serene Bookworks. Today I'm sharing this cool little fold-out nature book that I made for a customer. And this was really a lot of fun. Tried some new things. So yeah, I hope she likes it. This is 5 little books in a fold out, and I'll show you what I mean here. It's really long, so there's 2. There's an envelope that I made. Let me get back in frame. There's 3, and see, we keep going, and there's 4 and 5, and there's, make sure this doesn't fall, there's another pocket. So yeah, it's like a great big snake. So we'll just start back here. These are just real simple. I think there's 7 or 8 pages folded in each one, and she wanted different books for one for grasses, one for trees, one for bushes, one just in nature general. So I kind of made them a little generic-ish so that she could use them for whatever she'd like. And I made lots of writing space. And there's a napkin there. And I just made lots of little tags and stuff so that she can collect her specimens. There's a lot of bags in these as well, and little cellophane type envelopes so that she can collect leaves and what have you. That's some packaging that I turned into some tags. So they're all simple-ish like that. And they all tie in with some seam binding. And this color is mushroom. That's pretty appropriate. This is the first one that I did, and as you can see, there's lots of little envelopes and things like that in there for her. And these are some of those little cellophane envelopes that I put in with some washi just to give her some ideas on how to use those. This is from April that I decoupaged in there. This is from April. Here's a little fold out, and then it folds out this way as well. Some book pages. This is an old, not an old, it's kind of recent actually. It's a calendar page. There's the back of the calendar. Then there's some more bags. Tsunami rose flower. I got this in California when I was out there this summer. There's another neat little plastic bag. And back here, this is some vintage tracing paper. And this envelope and the one on the other side there, I made to fit in here, and they're empty. And here's some hooks to put some different little items in there. And this is the middle. This one's more of the kind of everything book, I would say. It's just got all kinds of different little plants and things like that in here. There's another flip up and a flip out. Lots of flips in here. And every book has a little paper clip, and every book has some natural paper in it. Which is really pretty. I really like that. And then here's some tags here. Cute little things. And let me close this up a little bit. So I made this envelope as well. It's also empty. And this envelope has some extras in it. And here's some more tracing paper, some more cards. There's a pretty little cellophane, or I don't know, that's not cellophane, that's vellum. And there's the natural paper here that's kind of grassy. There's a neat little envelope here with seed type and things like that. Oh, that's the other paper clip there, and there's some more tracing paper. And then this is the last one, the last little booklet. And this is the leaves on the trees. This is the tree one. Here's the natural paper. And this I made, it's the Colorado tag, I guess you could say. There's our state flower, our state bird, and we have lots of pine trees out here. That's what that's representing there. Some more bags, stenciling. I love that natural paper. There's some neat little illustrations in here. Book pages. All right, so then this all folds up, and this side of the spine here is a little bit bigger because it all folds up like so. Whew. So that was just a quick flip through. But boy, was this a lot of fun and a challenge to figure out how to do all those flips. But I think it turned out pretty good. So there we go. A simple little flip through here today. And I thank you all for joining me. And you all have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.